Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to mute and unmute someone on Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram apps. Go click on to profile icon and select your any followers and following list. And go to her account. Tap onto following option and finally click on to mute, and you can select post, story or note, anything. So that's how you can easily mute and unmute someone on Instagram. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.